Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset Indesit washing machine. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply switch off the power and unplug the machine. Then you need to turn on the machine using the on and off button. Afterwards, you need to set the timer control to the 0 position and plug the machine back in. Now switch on the power, the display lights should now be flashing. So turn off the machine with the on and off button, select the program required and turn the machine back on at the on and off button. The machine should now be reset and function normally. So if not, you may have to repeat the procedure. If this fails again, there may be a fault that's preventing the washing machine from working, and you may need to get in touch with a trained technician to diagnose the cause, and it will fix your problem. So this is the procedure to reset your Indesit washing machine. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.